Okay, we already live, so I'll go ahead to share my screen. Window, this, yeah, add the screen there. Okay, you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Very lovely. So you remember where we stopped last time on our lessons, right?
I am practice uptrend and downtrend and trading line.
Mm,
The support and this thing.
yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, so support and what? Support and
Support and
resistance.
resistance.
Yeah, we're doing support and resistance, if that is what you call it. How do you see the screen? Is it somehow bigger?
Yes, sir.
Is the screen bigger now?
Yes.
You like it this way?
Audio okay. Yes.
It's bigger than before. It fits better now than before.
Yes. Yes. It's bigger than before.
So, do you see the chart bigger? Is it better than before?
Yes.
It's better than before.
Yes. Very good.
This way and this way. Is it better now? No.
No, the other one, the first one.
This
Uh-huh.
one
Yes.
is okay now and much better now.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. This morning I took a trade on. I took a trade on. I took a trade on.
Okay. Yeah, down trade.
I took a trade on CHF JPY. Okay, which was just for an account. Don't know if you can see it.
Yes, sir.
So this morning I made how much this morning? I made so I took the trade. I just made $1,587 on
Okay,
it
let's listen again.
with three positions this morning already on CHF JPY. You can see it. This first
Yes, sir.
one made I made money on the CHF JPY. So that is it right there this morning. So what did I see on CHF JPY that made me to take the trade? So we have to go and analyze the market. Let's use a new chart. You know, the things I have been teaching you before, those are exactly what we're going to be using this morning to analyze this trade so that you can equally see that it says, okay, this is the chart where I took the trade. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is to go to a new chart, CHF JPY. So this try forex.com. Okay, I think this is clean. You can see this. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so seeing this already, what is the first thing we are going to do when you come to a chart? Remember, I taught you what we call a top downward. I taught you what I call top downward.
Top down chart
Top down
analysis. Analysis.
Top-down analysis. And what does this mean? What does this top-down analysis mean? When you hear it, what does it mean?
Analysis the market.
Okay. Yes, please continue. It means to analyze the market starting from the higher time frame and gradually coming down to the what? The lower time frame. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
To analyze the market starting from the
monthly,
higher time frame, which can be the monthly time frame, and gradually come down to the what? Gradually come down to the what?
Small.
The monthly what? The monthly time frame. Please, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You have to pay attention. You don't have much time. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Please, you have to pay attention. We don't have much time. You really have to pay attention.
Yes, sir. I'm here now.
Starting from the monthly time frame, and then you gradually come down to the weekly, the daily, the 4 hours, the 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay. The reason why we do this is so that you can be able to see what the market is doing, what the market has done, so you can take a trade, having seen everything and knowing, being informed, using the charts to take a decision either to buy or to sell. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So that's perfect. So another thing we have to do now is we have to go to the monthly time frame first. So I've clicked it, the chart is loading, it has loaded. So once this happens, I right click my screen, click reset chart view. I just did that, and you can see that this market has been what? Has been bullish.
Bullish.
It has been buying, is a serious uptrend even since 2006. Right here, this candle right here is of Monday, 2nd of January 2006. The next candle is of Wednesday, 1st of February 2006. So since 2006, this pair has been going up, which means the currency of Switzerland has continuously been stronger, than the currency of Japan. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So you remember I taught you that this one here, we call it the what? We call this one the base what?
The base
currency, and I will call this one what? The put currency.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
This is the base, and this is the put. This is the base, and this is the put. I taught you all of this while you were starting out. So I wish and I hope you still remember what they mean. So this is the base currency, and this one is the what?
Put currency.
The put currency. Okay. So do you see it?
Yes, sir.
This is the base currency, and this is the put currency. So you can take a picture of this, or this video. I will send you our YouTube link so that you can still go back and watch this same video. This is our class now on YouTube in case you want to
Okay.
watch it again. That's why we are recording this so that you can watch it again. If you have questions or confusion, you can still go back and watch this same video again.
Yes, I love that. I'll watch it
Yes,
again.
yes. So when we say buy, when we say that this market has been going up, it's been buying, it means that this base currency has been strong,
Going up.
is going up than this one. You see it? Than
Yes,
this
sir.
one. It's been going up than this one. Okay? It means it has much more strength. So when we say buy, what happens is that we are buying this one, the base currency, and we are selling this one, the fourth currency. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And when we say sell, when we say we are selling or this market is on a downtrend, it also means the opposite. What does that mean? It means the opposite is that when you say sell,
Both
it
currency.
means you are now buying the food currency. The food currency is strong and the base currency is weak. Please, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this entirely simply means this is what happens. This is what you are doing when you say sell, that you are selling. When you say you are selling, this is what you are doing. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
And when you say that you are buying, you are doing the completely opposite of this or of all of this. You are doing this. When you say you are buying, this is exactly what you are doing when you are buying. So take your time to understand this. So you can still watch this video again to better understand this.
Yes,
Okay?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect. So then again, moving ahead, please subscribe to this video. Subscribe, like this video, and subscribe. So you can still come back again to watch more videos. So
Yes, sir. Subscribe.
yeah, go ahead and
Yeah.
subscribe. Okay, so you now understand what when you are buying, you now understand what you are buying, what it means, or what you are saying to happen. And when you are selling, you now understand what you are doing or what you mean to happen. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So as always, you can still come back to this video on YouTube. You can watch it again and again to even understand better. So we'll be doing that. So right now we have seen that from the monthly time frame that this pair has been what? On an uptrend. It has been bullish because this is a high. Okay, it came
Yes,
down
sir.
here to give you a low, to give you a higher high, a higher low,
Higher low.
a higher
A
high,
higher high.
a
A
higher
higher
low, a higher
a
high.
higher high.
After a higher high, what are we expecting in the market? We expect the
A
market to give
higher
you
low.
a
A
higher
higher
low.
low.
Okay, a higher low, then to do what? To push
A
up
higher
again,
high.
maintaining the uptrend, continuing the bullish trend. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we have seen that our monthly is what?
Uptrend.
Our monthly is an uptrending market. The monthly, our monthly is uptrend.
Uptrending market.
Monthly is
Uptrending
uptrend.
market.
Simple. Let's call it bullish. It still means
Bullish.
trend. Okay. So now the next thing we'll do is we'll go to the we'll
Daily.
go to
Week.
the weekly time frame. That is the next that comes in. So it's loading now. The weekly is loading. Please, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
The weekly is loading.
But it's loading. It's still loading.
Yes, it's still loading. Yes. The weekly is still loading. The weekly is still loading. One minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can see that, right? The weekly is still what? Loading. Weekly is still loading. Okay, I think I'm being seen clearly now. Yeah.
Yes.
So going back to the. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Okay, the weekly has loaded. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. So looking at the weekly now, we can see that the weekly has also been what? On an uptrend. The weekly has also been on what? On an uptrend. But it has simply been doing what? This is a high,
low,
a low, okay, a higher high, a higher low, and then what? A higher high. So we are still now going to be expecting a what? A higher low. Okay, so that's what Oakley is doing. And remember, there is always trend and trend. Okay, remember, you can see that we didn't count all of these smaller trends inside the trend, but nevertheless, they are still going up. It is still an uptrending pattern because they are still creating higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so yes, that is the same. And even here also, this is a high. Okay, this is a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. So these are trends and trends. But please bear in mind, we are on the weekly time frame, and the major trend right here now is what? A bullish market. Thank you. Also known as a what? A bullish market. So the weekly is also what? Bullish. Okay, the weekly is what? Bullish. Very good. So let's go down to the daily time frame. The daily time frame. So the daily is still loading. I want this class to just be maybe 30 minutes or 40 minutes max. Okay, the weekly has loaded. You can see that. The daily has loaded. We are now on the daily. We have done the weekly. The monthly is bullish. Weekly is bullish. So now we're on the daily. Looking at the daily, also it is still making what? Higher. Uptrending pattern. This is come up here. Okay, come up here, give us a high, give us a low. Okay, still give us a high here. You can count that if you want, or you can jump it, this way. Give us a high here, because it's still higher than this. Give us a low, higher in low than this one. Another high. Okay, still give us a low, still makes sense. Give us a higher high, a higher low, 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 and then what? It came here and gave us an equal high. This high and this high, they are looking equal. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
They are looking equal. It didn't go beyond this high. They are looking equal. So this is clearly what? An equal high. Okay? It's an equal high. There is no, it didn't give us a high that clearly means that it's not a higher high in short. It's an equal high. Okay? So after this equal high, what happens? The market came here and gave us a low.
An equal low again.
It's an equal low. It's looking at, so let us zoom. Let us zoom it out if we are confused. Let us zoom it out and mark it out to see if this is an equal low or even a lower low, and see this as an equal high or even a lower high. So let's take our line. This is the level of this. This is the high of this. Okay. Okay. You use the body. Use a higher high. You use the wick. There is a wick there. Put this thing below. There is a wick there. So I think in this scenario, I would like to use. Let's try the body first. It means it broke it. Let's try the wick to avoid missing any chance. Put it at the wick. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So at the wick, this market did not close with a healthy body above this. So this is like a confusion. You don't make any decision here yet. Okay. So, yes, but seeing that, It is so sad. It's so sad seeing that. Then come down again to the bottom. Okay, use the body. This is the low, the high low. Use the body, they are equal, just as this one. Okay, you use the wick. Okay, the wick just came to touch it a little bit. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing what I'm doing?
Yes, sir. I'm seeing it.
So this can simply be called an equal high, and here I give you an equal low.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. So, and after this, the market came to give you a higher high. After this, it came to give you a higher high, which means that this high has taken out this, whatever confusion we have here. It has now given us a higher high. Okay, so after a higher high, what do you want to see in the market?
A higher low.
A higher low. So the weekly is what? Bullish.
Bullish.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Is the daily bullish or bearish? The daily is what?
Bullish.
Are you confused or something?
No, sir.
So we now go down to the 4 hours time frame. If it's simple, it's not difficult, it's not hard. We're going down to the 4 hours time frame. It's still loading. I think my connection is not fast. I have a very slow connection today. Okay, it has loaded. Okay, so let us zoom in the chart a little to see things clearly. It's loading. Let's give it some time to load. It's loading. Just maybe some seconds. My connection is not good today, so we have to manage it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
It has loaded.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we're on the 4 hours time frame. So the monthly, we are doing top-down analysis, and this is it. So the monthly has given us bullish, weekly bullish, daily
bullish.
So now we're on the 4 hours time frame. And looking at the 4 hours time frame, you can see that yes, it has also been making what? It has also been making what?
Uptrending.
An uptrend market looking from this part, making an uptrend market so far. Okay, but that is not enough because it's time to start marking our zones. If you look right here, there is something that happens that this market came here and give you what? An equal low. Please, do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Give you an equal low here. You point that out. Okay, and this market, even up here, the difference in the heights are not much. It's like a zone is reacting to a zone and an area of interest. You see that?
Yes, sir.
You mark it out. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Like a zone, an area of interest. Okay, so now, because we are on the 4 hours time frame, we have to focus on the current, what is happening now, because we are getting closer to the 1 hour or 30 minutes or 15 minutes where we've taken our entry, our position to make our money today. Okay, so because we're on the 4 hours time frame, let's simply analyze this. Okay, this is a low that gave you this high, and this high came back to give you this higher low. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Give you this higher low. Okay. But let's not waste our time because let's just start from here. It's simple. This market has given you what? A high here, a higher low, a what? A higher high, a what? A higher low, a what? A higher high, a what? A higher low, a what? A higher high. After this higher high here, the market came down to break structure, giving you a lower low right there. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Giving it because this is the recent low that it did. Okay, but it came down to what? To break it here. We broke it here because this new low is now lower. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But after the market did that, it still came up. Okay, it still came up to give you a high, but this high is no longer higher than this. But this one was higher than this one. But this one is no longer higher than this. So it's now a lower high.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So after this lower high, it came here to give you a lower high again, and then a lower low. Now this low is now lower. It has taken out this one and this one. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is the lower low, this is the lower high. So when the market is printing lower lows and lower highs, it means it's a what? On a downtrend. But remember, these are trends in trends. These are a trend inside the trend. On the major time frame, we are still bullish. Okay? So the market comes down to give you what?
A lower low.
A lower low. And this lower low, remember, there was a level, there was a major higher low, even from the daily time frame, which was this. If you go back to the time frame, you can see that this point, hold on, let the chart load. The network is really, really bad. Okay. So that this is the only line, the only area I have marked below here. You see this point, let's mark it out. It's a major higher low. When you look from the daily, is the major last higher low even from the daily time frame. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the market, this is the major last higher low before it came here. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
So let's go down again to the 4 hours. It's loading. Please wait. Oh God, the connection is not good. Okay, let's bring back the chart. It's loading. Okay, do you see that I'm the same level that I marked out? Do you see it?
Yes, sir. I'm seeing
It's the major last higher low from the daily time frame, even the weekly. This is the major last higher low. So after all of these things that the price has been doing ever since, from here, price went up, all of this, it bought around this level, still sold here. The price still came back to this same level to retest it. You see it here?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Price came back to that same level to do what? To retest it. And after retesting that level, price started buying. So this right here, please pay attention now. Pay attention. I've been teaching you these things ever since. So you can see the screen very, very, very clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So price came up here. Oh my God. So price came up here. This is the last. Hold on, please. There's something to show you here. Why this price was selling was selling this way, was coming down from here down to this point. Okay. Okay, you can see that.
Yes,
this
sir.
Point, this is the last. This is the last. This is the last lower high. Indeed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's the last lower high. Because if you want to count it, want to study it, you can simply do it this way. This price sold here to give you what? A lower low.
A lower low.
And then give you what? A lower high. And then what? Finally a lower low.
A lower
okay?
Low.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So while the price was doing all of that, okay, market went what? Came up here and didn't take out this one. Was still a lower high. Please excuse me. Let me go and tell my people to take their profits because we have made enough money. The trade I caught has done very well. Hold on. Let me tell them to close in profit. What is the trade? Is in Rwanda. Excuse me, please.
Yes, sir.
I need to send a message to tell them to take their profit. Please load, 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 load. Oh my God, it has even gone even below the take profit. Like the profit is too much. Oh my God, the profit is too much, man. The profit is, oh my God, oh my God, the profit is massive. God, 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 the profit is massive. God, hi. Today is a beautiful day, I swear, man. God is good. This is, I entered this trade today in the morning here. Oh, it's still going down. It is still bubbling down. It's still selling. It's still selling. It's still selling. Maybe I'm tell them to take their profit. There is news, I think. There is news. Oh my God, the profit is too much. Just under 1 hour safe. Oh my God, God, man. This type of thing is just so happy. Just making me
Yes,
very
sir.
happy. Man.
Oh, my shit. Lavazier Dubai.
Closing massive. The profit is too much, you know. The profit is, oh my God, it's still selling. It is still selling. God. It is still selling. The market is still selling. God of Majesty is still selling. This market is selling. It's tanking down heavily. I don't know how. Selling means that Japanese Swiss francs is weak today and Japanese yen is strong. This is very rare, but it is still selling. God, wow! So closing massive profit, man. Closing massive. Closing sharp. Closing massive profit. You have not joined the Telegram, son. Closing massive. Huh?
Hmm?
I sent you a Telegram link to join. You have not joined. Why?
Okay, send it now.
No, I sent you a Telegram link in your WhatsApp before. You haven't joined. Let me send it again in case you do not see it. I sent you a Telegram link in your own personal, not in the group. This is it. Click it to join the Telegram. Click it now to join.
Okay, I join the game,
I've not seen you on the Telegram. When did you join? I've not seen you there. Okay, you joined. Yeah, I think you joined. Okay, I've seen you there.
I join the game, sir.
Yes, I've just confirmed it. This is a beautiful trade. A beautiful trade. A beautiful trade. God of, this is a beautiful, beautiful trade, man. I even shared this thread to the groups where we have about the group we have about 998, almost 1,000 people. I sent it there also. And oh God, oh my God, this is lovely. This is lovely. Oh. Okay, let's go back to our class. You know, I love seeing success. You know, love seeing success.
Yes, so Yamala Toto.
Yeah. So CHF JPY. They're using Forex.com. Where we are in 4 hours. I think we are 4 hours on this analysis, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we are in 4 hours on analysis. This is here we are, right? Okay, this market came here. I still give you a lower high because this high didn't come to take out this recent lower high, give you a lower, but then it came back to give you what? A higher low,
Low.
no longer a lower low. Because
Yes.
if it had given you a lower low, that means the downtrend would have continued. Okay, that means what? The downtrend would have what? Continued.
Continued.
But then it didn't do that. It went ahead to give you what? A what?
Higher low. Higher high.
A higher low. It gave you a higher low right here. Give you a higher low right here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So give you a higher low right here, and then give you a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, which means what? It has turned it has turned what?
Uptrending market.
Thank you very much. So a higher high, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. Okay?
Yeah.
And then after a higher high, it came here and give you what? A higher low, a lower high. The trend has changed. Okay, after a lower high, it came down to give you what? A lower low. And remember what happened here? This new low has now taken out this recent higher low, which means confirmation that after this lower high and this market taking out this one, it has confirmed for you that what? The trend has changed to a what? A selling market again. Okay, do you see that?
Yes, sir.
So it means we have now gone back to a what? A selling market, a non-trending market. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
And then we can also mark out our zones. This is a support here that turns what? Resistance. This is a support area. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
That is a what? A support area that turned what? Resistance. You see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's a support area that turns resistance. Even if you want to get it more, you can extend it this way. Do you see that it was also what? A resistance here. It still makes sense. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
And then there's also a level here that I'm seeing too. I was seeing all this level because I took this trade. I was seeing this market since yesterday. I analyzed the market yesterday. Okay, yesterday, and I was waiting for it. Okay, so when I was analyzing the market yesterday, price was still around here. Price was at this zone. Price was somewhere here. It hasn't gotten up here. So when I was seeing it, I was waiting for it to retest before I can sell. That was yesterday, so I was patient enough. So this is what I have seen now. You understand so far, right?
Yes, sir.
And I've been marking out my what? Support and resistance levels. You can see that, right? Even right here, there seems to be a level here also. There seems to be a level here. There seems to be a level here. But because price has gone below that, it's not needed. And I'm also seeing like a chart pattern. I'm seeing head and shoulder there. Okay, which also means price should sell. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. This is the right shoulder. This is the right shoulder here, and then this. Okay, I'm also seeing this left. I'm also seeing this head and shoulder. Okay, and price later came down to break below the neckline, which is also break below this. Price later came down. Price later came down to break below this support and resistance zone. This zone coming from here. You understand this zone, right? This thing I marked out. You know what it means.
Yes, sir.
So price came down to break below it with a massive, healthy, bearish candle. Very, very lovely signal on the 4 hours time frame. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
And then price was reacting here. Price was reacting here. Price started buying. So let's go down. So simply, we have to continue down to the 2 hours time frame, but now we have to acknowledge that our 4 hours is a what? A bearish market. Please, do you understand?
Yes, sir. 4 hours.
4 hours is what? Is bearish. So let's go down to the 2 hours time frame. So this is now our 2 hours time frame. Please, do you see that?
Yes, sir.
This is our 2 hours time frame. Okay, so we have seen that we are on a bearish market. So you can see that price did what? Price broke down this very area. Price broke down this very zone. Here, this zone was support. Here it was what? Support.
Support.
Okay. Price still came back to it around these levels and did not break below it. But finally, something happened. Price came down to it and broke with a very massive what? Red candle, bearish candle, and came back here at this point. Price came back at this point. Are you seeing that?
Yes, and break it.
So after price did that, yesterday I was seeing this and I was waiting. I was seeing this price here at this area. I was seeing price at this area and I was waiting. So after price came down, if you look closely, you will see what happened. After price came down, oh my God, this thing is still selling massively. Like the sell is so massive. It's still tanking down. It's still tanking down. This thing is still tanking down. Let me just calculate how much. Because this is where I sold from. I think I sold from around here this morning. This is I entered around here. Yeah, this is where I sold from. This is my stop loss. 36, correct? So right now, anybody who has heard this market till now has made, if you are risking $1,000, you have made $4,000. Wow, that's beautiful. So I was seeing price around this spot. Okay, I saw this candle, this one, another red one again. I saw that one. God, excuse me. I saw this one. I saw this red one again. And then after this red one, a bullish candle came up, came all the way here. A bullish candle came all the way to this point. You see that? It started from here to go all the way to this point. And that means something. That simply means something. So I was waiting. And market started to be consolidating. But why it was doing that? The market was going up, printing candles, that means it's going up. So I now realize that this market is coming up to retest these supports that have strong resistance. Okay, so but if you see here, market did not give you a perfect retest. It didn't give this point a perfect retest. You see it?
Yes.
Market still came up a little bit to even pass it. Price came up. First of all, it came here. It came up here, but then it turned to a wick. But then another candle came up to this level with a bullish candle. Okay, very bullish. But I was still waiting. Even at this point, I was asleep. I didn't even know what is happening again. Then this morning when I woke up, I saw that the price has already tanked down with a bearish engulfing candle. What do I mean by engulfing candle? It means all of this movement, this candle 1, candle 2, candle 3, candle 4, candle 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, even 14. That one single candle came out and covered all of the space they printed. What do I mean? From this point, go up this way. Do you see this?
Yes.
Inside this space now I've marked out, there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 candles inside this space that printed one by one, counting until they were all forming. 14 candles. But these 14 candles that took all this space, one single candle came out one single candle came out and covered all the whole space they took only with one single candle, which is this candle. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
I don't know if you get what I just explained.
Yes.
So we call that an engulfing candle. An engulfing. It happens like this. This is a candle one. Are you seeing what I'm drawing?
Yes.
This is a candle one. Okay. This again is a candle two. Okay. This again is a candle three. This again is a candle four. Okay. This again is a candle five. This again is a candle six. New candles printing. You see, this again is a candle seven. Do you see this?
Yes, sir.
New candles what? Printing. You see these candles? They are what? They are printing. New candles that are printing. You see this? But then, and you can see that gradually as they are printing, they are still going up. Okay, it's heading up. You see it?
Yes, sir.
It's heading up. These candles are heading up. They are heading up. They are heading up. But then, with these things we are happy, maybe it took 3 hours to happen or whatever going up. But then one single candle came all this way to do this. This means once all of the movements, 7 candles we are struggling to create within 1 hour or 2 hours, one single candle came and flushed them out. That's what we call an engulfing candle. Like all of this movement that happened here, from this point to this point. You see it?
Yes, sir.
One single candle came out and what? And covered all of them, which is this. Very healthy. This thing shows you that there is a sign, there is a push. Okay, the sellers. This candle means sellers. Okay, a bearish candle. It means that the sellers are present now in the market. Okay, because what does it mean? The people that are pushing the market up, creating these candles, creating all these small candles, they are not strong enough. They are not strong enough. What the momentum, the force, okay, behind this candle that just happened once is a sign that there are many. They have power. What 13 persons struggled to do in 2 hours, these ones they just came out and did it under 30 minutes. They pushed it up, and then after that, you see another showing that they have strength. Just 2 candles. Imagine. This is simple to understand. Imagine candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All of these candles, we are just struggling so far, just to start from here to start from this point to get here. You see that?
Yes, sir.
But these 2 candles alone, just only 2 candles, 1 and 2, has gone so much far. So that's what an engulfing candle. Okay?
Yes, sir. An engulfing candle.
An engulfing candle. So I was seeing the market doing this, and at this point I was asleep. So this morning when I woke up, I saw that the price was already here. The price was already here at this point. Was already here. Although I was looking to sell. So our 2 hours is now what? Our 2 hours is bearish also. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Can I go down to the 1 hour time frame? It's loading. Please wait. It's loading. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame. This is the what?
1 hour time frame.
So you see, our market was already here. This market was already here at this level. at this level. It has already, come down this way. The price was already here at this point. This is where I even entered. It's here that I entered from. Price was already here. This bearish candle has happened and closed bearish, and then you can see a weak candle there. This one was this candle was still playing out. It was around here. This one was around here. Around here. When I saw it, and then it kept on coming down. Kept on coming down. Okay, it kept on coming down to around this level. Around this level. And then I took my sell position, took my entry immediately. My stop loss was above this week, giving me around 36, around 36 point something pips for stop loss. This is it. And I was targeting 1:2.41. This, my friend, was my take profit. And at the level there, I saw a level there also. I saw a level at my take profit level. I saw a level there. I saw a level there at my take profit level. I saw a level there. And seeing that level started from, I took note of this level. You see it? This level. And then I extended it even to this point. Even to this point. And I saw there's a level there also that matches it, which is this. And this is my take profit. So market has even gone far down, even below my take profit. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
And that is how we made money this morning. And even market is even coming. I was even holding this market up till now. Bro, I would have even made times. I would have made. Let's check it. I swear to God, this is now times 7 of what I was risking. So if I'm risking $1,000, it must have made $7,000 profit today. Do you see that? Yes, so sir. This is a very lovely market, a very lovely market. So do you see how we arrived to this point?
Yes.
Have you seen how we arrived to this point? So it's a simple analysis. So even though that our monthly is bullish, weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, but even at this bullish, they were giving us higher highs, which means we are expecting what? A higher low. So if you go back to this weekly or daily or monthly, you can still see that yes, this market is a kind of now giving us the higher low we were anticipating. So that higher low we were anticipating in a lower time frame like the 4 hour, 2 hours, 1 hour, you will see a bearish structure. You can decide to take your position on that and make your money at a key level. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So do you see I didn't put any trend line here today? Trend line can still work. If you want to put trend lines, they work. Okay? At this point, this is a trend line here. You're touching here and touching here is a trend line. It makes sense. But most of the time, I don't use it. I use my eyes to see trend line. I don't place them, but looking at the market, I already know that trend line is there, but I don't put them. Why? I love to leave my chart to be very neat and very clean. Okay?
Yes.
Even right here that I was seeing head and shoulder, my eyes is seeing it, but I did not place it there because of what? Because my eyes can see this is the left header, shoulder, right shoulder. My eyes was seeing this. Okay, so this is how we made money today. Even 1 hour is still what? Bearish, which I made money. I made money today. It's not a lot. I made money today. 1 hour is still bearish. So this thing does not mean that every day you must make money. Some days you can still lose, but it is what? It's fine. It is part of the market. But we are not losing something that will make us go and become sick. We lose intelligently. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So that is just that. Please, do you have any question?
Not really.
Do you have any question?
Not really.
What do you say?
No, sir. Because Gapa watch it again.
Yeah, you can watch this video on YouTube. You can watch it on YouTube. So I'm ending the live now so that it will not be too long. If I end the live, you and I can still be talking, but the live will go and save on YouTube. So please like and subscribe
And yeah.
to this channel. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. We'll keep on coming live to teach more topics, chart patterns, entry signals, price action, all of these things. I will still teach them. So right now we are still learning the broader view. There are little things, atoms you will see in the market. Example was the bearish engulfing candle that signals yes, the sale is about to start. But before that happened, the market went and gave a manipulation, which is here. Manipulation happened here. Manipulation happened here, around this place. Okay, for a person who maybe you might have seen this, a person might have seen that this price has came up to this zone, which he perceived to be a resistance, and that's correct. And there's a bearish candle here, a bearish candle here. Okay, and you might want to start selling too early. You might want to start selling too early. You put your buy maybe here or even here. Let's just use it here. You put your buy here. Okay, put your buy here. Target, then put your stop loss. Oh my God, that's a lot of stop loss. It's even 48 pips stop loss. That's too much. Maybe 25 or let's say 30 pips stop loss. Or 35 though. You see it? Market manipulated. This market, although is gonna be a sale, but because you entered too early, okay, it took you out first. It took you out first with this manipulation, and then started selling. So I believe all of this sale that has made me money, somebody must have entered it first, still selling, but the person entered too early, lost money. Not that the person is not correct on what they are seeing on the chart. The person is correct, but he or she must have entered too early. And that made them lose money, even though that same market will still give profit and give so much money. But because they entered too early, they lost money. Okay? So sometimes it happens. You have to allow the market do its thing, let the market act, and then you react. Okay? So thank you so much. I'm glad having you here. I'm glad to have you here. Please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. And
yes, sir.